Today we have the 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan. This vehicle has done just under 62,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as assist. On the right, we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, on the left, we can access our radio, media, smartphone integration, and voice control. On the right, we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, our vehicle status, and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen is our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes: sport, individual, eco, and normal. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. We have our rear foldable tables and our panoramic roof.